Hey everyone, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to show you how you can make these cool, groovy, movable social media icons that you can put at the bottom of your email or your website or even a blog post. So I'll just scroll down. This is an email that I usually send out every week, but I've actually sent it to myself so I can show you. Now, you write your email, and at the bottom of it, you scroll down here and there's these little, wait for it, they'll flash. They're my flashable social media icons. So I've actually customized them in my own colors as well. So I'll just get out of that for now, and then I'll go to Canva. So the way to make these is you just go create a design when you go to your Canva dashboard, and we go custom size. So what I'm going to do is 50 by 50 pixels and go create new design. So it'll open up in a new template, and it looks really small, but that's okay because we don't want the image to be massive, but it's just a couple of little steps, and I'll show you how to do it. So I'll just move myself down. So the first thing we want to do is get a Facebook. I'll use Facebook just as an example. So I'll get a Facebook icon. So I'll go Facebook. Now, no, that's not it. Sometimes it gets a bit glitchy when I'm got a few tabs open. So I'll just go with this one and I'll drag it out. And I don't go right to the edge because sometimes that cuts the circle off, and I'll position it into center middle, and I'll just label it because sometimes I forget to label my templates, and then can't find them in my downloads. Facebook icon GIF. So what we're going to do now is when you pick one of these icons, if you pick it and it's got the swatches, then you know you can customize it to your branding. So I'll go pink, and I'll go the white one. I might go black. So the next thing I want to do is go to downloads, and I'm going to go PNG with a transparent background, but I'm actually going to pull the size right up big. And the reason for that is because it's such a tiny template, 50 by 50 pixels, I want to have a really high quality, crisp image. So we go download. Now I'll just move myself out and I'll get out of that. Oops, always seem to be in the way. So it's downloading. Now the next thing I have to do is actually upload it back. So I just want to put it in a folder, which I have to find, which is not always easy. So I'll just, there we go. So social media icons. So I'll go, just drag that straight in. And you'll notice it's come up with an image with a see-through background. So what I'll do is with this, I'll delete it, and then I'll just drag this one back on. And now this is actually a photo. Canva's recognizing this as a photo. So I'll go position, center, middle. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to animate it. So when you've clicked on it and go animate, it has photo animations or page animations. So I'm going to go page animations because there's actually a lot more to choose from. So I really like the stomp one because it sort of jiggles around. You can go photo zoom, that's rise. If you hover over it, it shows you what they're like. Breathe, that's a slow one. Block, none, draft. Some of the ones with the crowns are obviously the pro ones, but I think I'll go, which one did I like? Tumble? Yeah, I'll go tumble. Now, what we do now is you can go up on the blue part of the bar. It has like a play arrow, so you play it and it shows you how it will play in like when you upload it. But you can actually go, when you click off, it has a little timer in the lower part of the bar, and that's where you can adjust the time. So I'll just go 3 seconds. So now you've got to download it as a GIF. So we go download, but it defaults to MP4 video. So GIF is right at the bottom and we go download. So when we download it, it's Facebook icon GIF. So what I'm going to do now is go to my email provider, and I use Aweber, and I'll show you how I've loaded it up. But obviously you might use something different, and it might be different. So I've got this was the template that I sent out before. So what I do is I scroll right down to the end, and that's where I load up my social media icons, and you can see they're jumping around. Now, all what I've done with that is I've gone to image, and I've pulled in an image. So it looks really, really big, but don't worry, because the GIF we've downloaded or made is quite little. So we'll go, while that's highlighted, I just go here, upload an image, and it says Facebook icon GIF. Now this one, the one that I want, I did one before, but this is the one I want because it actually has a plain white covering. So what a GIF does is it starts off with a plain template and then moves. So I'm going to click on that and open it up, and it'll load up. So as I click off, you can see these two were my original ones, and this one is the slide in one because we used, I can't remember, what did we use? Tumble. Yeah, so I actually like these ones, but there's all different ways you can do them, make them, change the colours. So I think you get the idea at how eye-catching these movable social media icons are. I'm going to pop a link to another one I did before, which goes more into depth of customising your icons in your branding colours. So I hope you like that, and be sure to like and subscribe and comment below, and stay tuned for some more videos.